All right, let's look at number 1. 270 divided by 15. 15 goes into 2 0 times. I always put a placeholder because it's going to help me in the future. Subtract 2, bring down my 7. 15 goes into 27. Well, 15 times 2 is 30. That's too big. So I have to go less than 2, which would be 1. So 15 times 1 is 15, and I subtract, and I'm going to get 12. Now make sure when you subtract that the answer that you get from your subtraction is smaller than your divisor. If it was bigger, then that should have been a 2. All right, but since it's smaller, it's good. Bring down my 0. Now, 15 goes into 120. Now think about this. It's got to be a big number because 15 times 10 is 150. So it's going to be close to 10, a little bit less. So we're going to try with 8. So let's do 15 times 8. Gives me 40, carry my 4. 8 times 1 is 8, plus 4 is 12. So 15 times 8 is 120, so therefore it's going to be 18, 0 left over. Now notice, something you need to think about. If I've got 3 digits in the dividend, I have to have 3 digits in the divisor. If you've got 4 digits, you made a mistake. You have to have the same number of digits in your quotient as your dividend. Okay? All right, let's do another problem.